right, guys, we are back for the final day of the Sema show, Friday. Let's keep checking out some cool stuff. Very excited for this to come out. It's a portable welding table. What I really like about it though is these legs will fold up. It's got wheels as well as it's got a little handle right here that'll fold out, and you can go on ahead and move it around the shop really easily. Really cool feature about this bend packed lift right here is it has this lower arms to raise your frame, and then you also have a second set on the outside which you can raise like the body off the cab right here. So pretty neat feature here. Okay, we are back from Sema. Had a great time there. Lots of awesome builds, lots of awesome tools and products we got to check out. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoy sharing this stuff with you. If you did like it, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really, really helps out. And we will see you on the next one.